Can I get papers to remain in South Africa if my child is a citizen? The short answer, no, but you can apply for two kinds of visa. The whole question. I am a foreign national, and I have a child with a South African woman, but she is married to another man. Can I get papers to remain in South Africa if I have my child as a South African citizen? The long answer, thank you for your email asking if you can get papers allowing you to stay in South Africa through your baby daughter, who is a South African citizen. The fact that she is a South African citizen does not automatically give you any rights to permits, but there are two types of visa that you might be able to apply for. 1. If you have a child or parent in South Africa, you can apply for a relative's visa. 2. If you have a South African partner or spouse, you can apply for a spousal visa. 1. A relative's visa is issued for up to 2 years, and this permit doesn't allow you to work in South Africa without applying to change the conditions of existing visa, which you could do if you received an offer of work. This is what you have to present to Home Affairs through VSF Global to get a relative's visa. An application fee to Home Affairs, a processing fee to VSF Global, proof that you are your daughter's father, your unabridged birth certificate or certified copy, proof of your relative's South African citizenship through ID or passport. In the case of a baby, probably the birth certificate would be enough. Home Affairs says that if you already have a valid visa, you can apply from inside the country, but if you don't, you have to apply from outside. 2. A spousal visa can either be a temporary visa, usually for 2 or 3 years, or a permanent residence visa, to join your South African spouse or permanent residence holder spouse or permanent partner. This is what you need to get a spousal visa. Your spouse or permanent partner must be a South African citizen or permanent residence holder. For a permanent spousal visa, you need to prove that you have been married or living together for at least 5 years and are dependent on each other financially, emotionally, and physically. For a temporary spousal visa, there isn't a minimum period you need to have been married or cohabiting. You need to have a marriage certificate if you are married, proof of your spouse's South African citizenship, a letter of support from your South African spouse, proof of your good mental and physical health, a medical report, a completed temporary residence application form.